and a life coach. Let me tell you, I have this entire booklet of her achievements. Believe me, मैं इतना सब नहीं बोलूँगी. आपके लिए हम पेश कर रहे हैं something which is extremely special. और ये तो मुझे अनाउंस करना ही पड़ेगा बेशक. We are welcoming Miss Biji Tushar with our team of expert dancers, Javed Sanari, the ace choreographer of Jhalak Dikhla Ja Season 2, and his team, Rahul, Swasti and Kaveri. Can we have a round of applause for the wonderful, wonderful show that you will see tonight. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
I scream a scream, I dream a dream, from bondage to freedom, bondage within my mind, freedom to reach the limitless sky. It's my choice. Yes, my choice to move from fear to faith. I was not good enough, not up to the mark. I could never reach perfection, always a loser. My work bore no fruits. I was put down, belittled. Was I a failure? A failure? Failure? Loser? Loser? No, no, no. Never, never again will I judge myself. I have the power. The power of choice. Yes, the power of choice. The choice to be the best me or to be the me that the world wants me to be. I choose to be me, pure joy, abundant, radiant, vibrant, enthusiastic, full of life. I just unleash the limitless me, the courageous me, the gentle me, the loving me, the kind me, the passionate me from the cage of the worldly ways. The beautiful me was always ignored, in innocence, in criticism, in a choice to be an average part of the herd. To be unconventional would mean being a rebel, standing alone, one whom no one would own. I made my choice. I have the ability to be the best, so I became. I gave my best, so I received. I enjoyed my triumphs, wiped my tears and faced my fears. It was my choice. I realized we all have a choice. We have the power of choice, the choice to be a victim or a victim. How many times do we wallow in self-pity and say, poor me, poor me. Gone are the days when I would revel in self-pity, wallow in hurt, feel ashamed of my insecurities. Gone are the days when I would cocoon myself to my comfort zone and keep doing the same things over and over again till boredom killed my creativity. Now, my creative sensibilities are allowed a path, the path of freedom. The choice of creating a masterpiece, of becoming a masterpiece, the epitome of love, the statue of resilience, a symbol of happiness at its best, a fountain of endless joy and bliss, an amazing craftswoman creating empowered individuals, guiding people to their path of self-actualization, making living a sheer joy. A life designer whose dream is to help people actualize their dreams. This is me, life designer Biji Tushar. Fearless, limitless, I stand tall because I choose to fuel the fires within me rather than cry over the storms outside. You always have a choice. We are the product of the choices we have made. Even when we can't see the light, there is a ray of hope. Hope stands when everything else has fallen. What we do not realize is we have a choice of playing the blame game or playing the responsibility game. We can continue to blame people, situations, fate, or become mature enough to take charge of our lives. It's your choice, baby. I can take myself to the pits of hell by sinking low with my anxieties, my jealousy, my hatred, my insensitivity, or my vices. Or I can take myself to the heights of glory, make a difference to the world by spreading love and a spirit of oneness to make the universe a beautiful realm of existence. We all have a choice. We always have a choice. The choice to get tougher than the pain or to succumb to your pain. The choice to be overwhelmed by failure or to make it a stepping stone to success. It is said that obstacles are those that we see when our eyes are off the goal. So exercise your power of choice, unleash your supreme self and let go of your I can't and welcome I can. There must have been situations where you were forced to give up on your dreams. Were you forced? Or your desire to make your dreams come true was not strong enough for you to come up with a suitable solution? Think. Think again. What was your dream? I'm sure there is a way. I'm sure if you searched enough, if you were passionate about your dream, if you had the courage to own up to your dream, if you had the choice to hang on for some more time, you would have realized your dream. You had a choice to give up or to hold on. Hold on because you have a choice. The choice to see your dreams come true or the choice to see your dreams get shattered and blame the entire world for not having taken charge of your dream. Dream deep, as dreams are careless whispers of your soul. If you have a dream, you have the ability to make it come true. Whatever is created in the realms of our mind must see the light of the day. You create your own reality. Create your realities or live somebody else's reality and feel stifled and suffocated. You have a choice. There are only two ways in life, the right way and the wrong way. Go that way that feels right for you. Follow your heart. It may be on the left, but it's always right. Choose not to tread on the path already made, but choose to make your own path. It may be difficult, but it's yours. Choose to be you. Choose to be and then do and then choose to have. Choose to be the master of your fate, the architect of your destiny, or choose to let others have the key to your happiness. I choose success as my birthright, happiness as my birthright. I choose not to burden others with the responsibility of taking charge of my life, of providing me with all I need. In fact, I choose to create my realities, to believe in possibilities, to be a possibility thinker, not a chronic worrier. To flick the success button on, I choose to be a winner. I never lose. Either I win or I learn. It's my choice to select my perceptions, to let go and be free, not to be attached and bonded, to choose my actions for my higher good and be guided by my higher self. I exercise the power of choice and create my realities. Would you wish to exercise your power?
Yes!